So what if you were doing an ugly house deal and it was a tight one, and the buyer that comes to you on this ugly house deal says, "Hey, listen, I can't give you that full 86,000. I can only give you 80,000." And you're like, "Oh, because that cuts my assignment fee down to $1,000." Why not say, "Hey, listen, how about we do 1,000 and then 5 when you guys cash out after the fix and flip is done? Can we do a promissory note and an installment agreement? Mr. Buyer, would that be better than me taking this deal to someone else? You tell me what happens next." Ooh. I'm just trying to help you out with some of the words. So use this, and especially use this on your tenant buyers. On pretty house deals, you have a deal on Facebook. Somebody comes and they say, "Hey, listen, I don't have the full 10% that you're asking. They only have 5%. Wonderful. Let's say you owe 2.5% to the homeowner. That means you're going to make 2.5%. What do? You change the numbers, you finagle the numbers so that everything's even Steven, and you just cash out and you walk away and that's it? No, you pull out your promissory note and your installment agreement plan here, and you fill it out, and you have them send you $50 a month, or 100, or 150, until they pay off that additional 5%. Why not? This is almost like a side deal. It's like a personal loan. If I were to personally loan you that 5% that you're short, and I was able to make it where you could make a reasonable payment on that 5% every month for the next 24 months, is that something that we could talk about doing, or do I need to find someone else?